Today we're celebrating the launch of INVO Aesthetics Rejuvenating Complex with BioBlend technology to help give you better skin, more radiant skin, more youthful skin with collagen and elastic tissue due to the growth factors, exosomes, and antioxidants that are packed within it. In addition, INVO has all three of these advanced solutions, brightening, hair, and rejuvenating, meant to complement microneedling procedures and laser resurfacing procedures in your office to give a better radiant glow and more hair. So congratulations, INVO. We're so excited to have you in our business.